renowned scientist Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was a scientist who was born on January 8, 1942. At his early age, he had a passion for science and the sky. At the age 21, he was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Despite his illness, he has wrote many books which have made science more accessible to everyone. The part of his life is being depicted in the 2014 film The Theory of Everything.
Hawking's outstanding life was accompanied even when he was in worsening physical state. Hawking's family had took help of one of the Hawking graduates to take care of Hawking. Hawking was still able to eat by himself and get out of his bed. But eventually, Hawking's speech got slurred, by which only people who knew it better would understand him. In 1985, Hawking had lost his speech completely, which required 24 hours nursing care.
While Hawking started observing his problems about his physical health, on occasion he used to trip and fall or slur his speech. He used to keep his symptoms to himself. But when his father started looking at the condition of Hawking, he took him to the doctor for the next 2 weeks. The 21-year-old college student had made his home at the medical clinic where he underwent the series of tests.
In September 2010, he had argued against the topic that God had created the world in one of his books, and he had previously argued about the modern sciences compared with the creator of the world. Now, his new research proves that the Big Bang theory occurred because of the law of physics called gravity and nothing else. And Hawking said, spontaneous creation is the only reason why we exist and why the universe exists.
The grand design was Hawking's first major publication. He challenged Sir Newton's belief that universe would have been designed by the God simply because it could have born from chaos. I conclude my speech by highlighting what Hawking said once, that it is not necessary to invoke God to light the blue touch paper and set the universe going. Thank you and have a wonderful day.